Hi, today we are going to see how to paint in Photoshop. First open an image that you want to paint, then choose brush by click on this brush icon. Here you will change the brush size and hardness, and you can choose various type of brush from here. You can change the opacity from here. Here is the flow and here is the smoothing. And if you use tablet, then you can check it. I'm using just mouse, so I'm not checking it. Then create a new layer and choose color by holding down Alt and click on the image. It will pick your image color. Then start painting on the image. So this is how you can paint in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.